Ayan, meron akong foil balloons, which is color black. Yes, color black. Hindi ko alam kasi gusto ko lately black. Kasi suotin kong dress sa picture is pink dress. So, gusto ko black pink edition. Kaya ayan, 18. And meron this is the dress that I'll be wearing mamaya sa picture. And ito, nagamit ko ito before and I love this dress, guys. It feels like coquette, girly girl. Ayan. This is, wait, grabe ang init. Pawis agad. This is my dress. Wait, ayusin ko lang yung foam kasi yung foam is not good, not great. Yan lang muna kayo. Okay. Dumb hat. Okay. Tapos ko na suotin. Hello everyone, today is July 20. Today is my birthday and as usually, as you can see, is I am going outside. No, me, my mom and my sister are going outside because we're celebrating my birthday outside, not at home. And I don't feel like going out today, but my mom insisted me to go out. And papakita ko sa inyo ang outfit ko later. But yeah, we are going on SM North and I know you're coming with me. so this is the next day. Today is July 21. And yes, kagabi, nakauwi na kami. And then, today, mag-haul tayo ng namili ko kagahapon. And I got a few things from the school na, syempre, incoming freshman. So, bumili ako ng needs para sa school ko, especially bag and a new shoes. Ito ang shoes, puti kasi incoming nursing. And madumi na siya kasi ginamit ko siya kagabi kasi sobrang sakit ng sandal ko. And ito ginamit ko para comfortable ako. And yun. Next is bag. I'm telling you guys, it's gorgeous. Alam niyo, syempre hindi niyo pa alam. I love yellow bags. And I got one, a yellow bag. Dati ko pa talagang gustong bumili, magkaroon ng yellow bag. But today, I got a hands on. It is from Cozy? I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah. I am really happy na meron na akong ganito. And pinili ko talaga ang bag na to kasi syempre, incoming nursing, kailangan mo ng big bag. Hindi naman big bag. Pero kasi magagamit mo rin siya sa duty and all. And I got one. Isn't it this beautiful, guys? A yellow one. Okay, parang, okay. It is, hindi siya makikita, pero mamaya. It is a yellow one. And, nagustuhan ko siya kasi dalawa yung packet nito. Ito, para siya sa ito, para siya sa laptop or tablet. And dito mo ilalagay yung mga needs mo ilagay. And here naman, side pocket. Alam niyo guys, kagahapon, tinatry ko siyang bukas sa mall. And I got this from SM store. So, makikita mo siya doon. Maraming Coast product doon. And ito, tinatry ko itong buksan ito. Dito ko siya tinatry buksan. Pero, nung nandun ako sa counter, sabi ni ate, dito ko siya bukas. Like, nagulat talaga ako ate kasi akala ko dito talaga siya binubukas para mabuksan mo to. So, okay. Great. Papakita ko siya sa inyo later kung paano siya ano yan. Gusto ko kasi sa bag yung maraming compartment sa loob. And this one is right for me. And next, nothing much. So, again, binili namin to sa bench. Bench ba to? Yes. Sa bench. Ito. Ayoko talagang bilhin to guys kasi meron akong sando para inner sa uniform ko. Kasi ang uniform ko puti. May pagka-see-through siya kaya kailangan mo ng inner. And ayaw ni mama sa akin yung sando. So sabi niya, mas maganda daw to. And she got me two. Dalawa yan. And then, this one. Actually, it was a gorgeous one. And, lalagay ko dito yung video nung finit ko siya. So, ayan. Ito siya. Maganda siya, guys. Pero, maganda siya sa skirt, guys. Promise. It was a yellow one. As you can see kasi, favorite ko again ang yellow. And, yun lang naman, guys. Yun lang naman yung pinili ko. So, needs lang talaga sa school and all.